So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view small market cap stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance app, go to the bottom, press on the Discover icon in between news and markets at the bottom, press on Discover, and on the Discover screen, just scroll down all the way to the bottom until you come across this option right here, which is market value, largest market cap stocks. Just go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to view small market cap stocks or small cap stocks, it's fairly straightforward. In the top right here, which says market cap intraday, press on that. And by default for me, it actually does show large cap and mega cap. But if you want to, just press both of those to reset. You can press on small cap right here and then press on apply. Now what you can do is now view all the small cap stocks of a specific region. So for me, it's actually set on USA, but if you want to change the region, go to the top left, press on whatever region you want, press on apply, and there you go. Fairly straightforward, but this is how to view small market cap stocks on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.